Professor Taleb and Professor Ebote, Professor Iqbal, and Professor Giuseppe Fierro, and myself as head of the school. So I'll give you the outcome of it. So we looked for the 10 presenters. That was on Monday afternoon on scientific and the novelty, as you may expect, but also the clarity and the performance. And the committee came to the following conclusion. So I hope the winners are all here. So I will start here with the, is this going up? So with number 2, that's what we call a running up. And that is Atif Diaz. He's from Kars University, from Turkey. And he had a very interesting presentation on anti-icing. Maybe you have still remember that one. So I give you, maybe on. And so you get also a nice book, and it is on graphene. Yeah, you know everything on graphene now. So this is the book on graphene. So maybe you can hand over this book of graphene to our second. So then we go, this was number 2, and so it means we have a number 1, maybe we have also number 3, you never know, so let's see what happens. Number 3, and it is from Russia, Zyrov. I put the title, I summarize it with then a contrast agents. Are you here? Is number 3 here? Left already? That's a pity. Huh? It's a pity. So we will communicate with the third prize winner here. And then we have also number 1. And what's number 1?
The gold medal.
This is the winner. Is the winner here? The winner is here, Diego. And we will give you 3 books.
It's very heavy. Science is heavy sometimes.
I know that you are coming by train. So this is the, so this is for Diego. Yeah. Alright, so you don't have any hands to shake. Alright, so that was the prize winner. Besides that, we have also best poster competition, and Carlo Menducci, is he here? Right, so come on here. And you get also a book, so. So this is Italian. All right, so this was it, and now close this session. Go to Peru.